So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in manage advanced sharing settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that you have file sharing actually turned on, whether that be for a public network, private network, or for all networks. Make sure that you actually have it turned on. See if that works for you. For the second method, make sure that the folder that you want to share has the sharing permissions turned on. Now to do that, you want to find the folder, you want to right click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on sharing, and then click on advanced sharing. Make sure that you have shared this folder turned on, and you can go through all the steps right here, and then click on OK. For the next method, you're going to head over to search again, and type in settings. Click on it, and then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on network and internet, and you're going to be having either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. You're going to click on this. Make sure that you have this on private. See if that works for you. For the next method, you're going to head over to search again and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And then once you're on this, we're going to scroll down till we find SMB. We're going to scroll down till we find SMB. Here it is, 1.0. You want to turn this on. So you're going to tick this and then click on OK. Wait for this to load. And then once it's been enabled, see if that works for you. For the last method, you just want to do a restart of your computer. See if that works for you.